Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how to fix slow charging problem in your Boat earbuds. So let's talk about this. So let's start the video friends. So here I am having this Boat earbuds and this charge I have charged, like if you charge 3 days or in 4 days one charge, it's okay. And at least you have to charge 2 to 3 hours per time, and then it will be charged. You can just reset your earbuds also if it is taking too long to charge. Just you have to long press these buttons. As you can see here, it is the two buttons over here. Just long press these buttons to reset it, and you can check if your power adapter is not working or your lead is broken. You can check them also. So if there is any problem, you can just fix it. So these are the things you can keep in mind to fix these battery life or slow charging problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.